Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50 Lite and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen like here. And now let's enter the settings. They should be in this upper panel. If not, tap on this 4 dots icon and the settings will appear right here. So let's open the settings and tap on the languages at the top. So right here we have to tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So you can scroll and find it or simply enter the name of the language you'd like to apply. It will be much faster. And now you can choose the keyboard layout. So just mark the option like here and tap on Done. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied. And before I show you how to remove the language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So basically here, after getting back to the keyboard, we've got the hint. So the globe icon, which appeared after adding the language, it allows us to change the layout. So right now we've got the layout connected with the English and Turkish. And after tapping on the globe icon, I can switch to the Urdu one. What is more, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. To remove the language, let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now mark the language which you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. And we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.